Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix photos and image not opening in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, go into your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, and after that go to your apps and features, and in the search box type of photos, click on Microsoft Photos, click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down and click on a repair. After that click on reset. After completing that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on default apps, and in the search box type dot gpg, click on it, change to paint, click on OK button. After that, type a dot gpeg, click on it, select a paint and OK button. After that close it, and after that I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a PowerShell and open a Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After opening that, copy the command from video description and paste it and click on press. It's required for a few seconds to complete this process. After completing that, type exit and exit the administrator powers. And after doing this, that open a Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, and after doing this, that go to your apps, and after that in the search box type of photos, search a photos, and go to your Microsoft Photos, and after that download and install in your PC. Completing that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.